quick word about dust masks. I've been doing this for so long and been exposed to so many chemicals and so much dust that my throat's actually really sensitive now, and I don't want to get lung cancer or throat cancer or mouth cancer. So I've tried every dust mask out there, and this is the only one that I use. 3M 8511 NIOSH. It says N95, whatever that is. But with the combination of this flap that makes it so you can exhale out, and then the nose pinch so you can keep it out of your safety glasses, so you can keep the hot air out of your safety glasses, get a nice good seal. Anyways, it's the only one worth using. I buy them in 10 packs. It's way too expensive if you try to buy them singles. There you go, my dust mask recommendation. And I don't get paid anything by them. 3M's actually okay. I've done some studies on the sustainability of 3M, and they're definitely preferable to DuPont.